Toyota Tacoma is a beast. Seriously, there is no better way to describe this massive truck. The vehicle is strong and reliable, an excellent choice for towing, handles well on and off-road, and honestly looks pretty sweet. The only thing we can take away from this idle picture is that, as we mentioned, the truck is massive and features high ground clearance, so entering and leaving the vehicle can prove to be a real chore in some cases. Still, this problem can be easily solved. How? Well, you only need to check a couple of best running boards for Toyota Tacoma, find your ideal match, and mount these useful footboard extensions to your truck. Let us help you with the first step. At the first position of our list, we have Tyger Auto TG AM2T20048 Star Armor Kit. We have to admit one thing about this product for the get-go, we really dig how this product looks. Remember, the running boards are not always used to protect your vehicle from side bumps and allow you more natural entrance. In some cases, they are simply used as a fashion statement. Well, if you want to turn your Toyota Tacoma into a mean, side-armored beast that will dominate the local roads, Tyger Auto TG AM2T20048 is a package for you. Who can say no to this beautiful textured metallic bars? Don't know, but don't list ourselves amongst these people. Moving on to the next at number 2 with TAC Side Steps. In direct comparison to the previous product, TAC Side Steps features a much more streamlined and simplified design. This time, instead of complex and robust design, you got only one 4-inch diameter tube at each side of your vehicle. This structural downgrade definitely has its effect on the price of the package. This Toyota Tacoma running boards are sold for half the price you are asked to pay for Tyger Auto TG AM2T20048, which is excellent. Well, honestly, not that much. Sure, the product could have been way more robust and offer stronger support or protection. Still, even with the thing as they are, we haven't noticed any cracks, bending or similar deformations. The number 3 position is held by ABS Auto Black 6 inches Tubular Drop-Down Styler Nerf Bars Running Boards. Next up, we have the ABS Auto Black 6 inches Tubular Drop-Down Style Nerf Bars Running Boards for the Toyota Tacoma. These boards have brackets made of steel and a different look from the ABS running boards featured above. The mounting brackets and hardware for bolt-on installation are still included. Next at number 4 we have OEDRO 6-inch Side Step Running Boards. These running boards by OEDRO provide a secure, slip-proof, rust-resistant and comfortable step for the whole family with UV-resistant, non-slip, wide steps and have been designed with professional 7-layer curtain and improved packaging for the maximum protection. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by ABS iBoard running boards. Next, we have the ABS iBoard running boards with Nerf bars side steps for the Toyota Tacoma. ABS manufactures various different versions of their running boards for the Tacoma, and these iBoards come with a matte black powder coating, meaning it has great rust and corrosion resistance as well as an aesthetically pleasing look. That's all for today. We upload auto product review videos every single day. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.